Today we're going to make shakshuka. Shakshuka is a delicious tomato stew with poached eggs. First, we're going to add olive oil to a hot pan. Then we're going to add in some red pepper and garlic. And we're going to saute that and let it steam with the lid on until it gets soft. After that, we're going to add some whole tomatoes that are low in sodium, and we will chop those up and let everything boil until it's tender. We can add in our seasonings at this point and some garbanzo beans. We're going to stir it up and let it add more seasonings. Then we're going to let it come to the boil and get more tender. Once it's been boiling for about 5 minutes, you can take the lid off, and then we're going to add our eggs. We carefully crack them and add them into the pan because we don't want to add the shell. And at this point, we're not going to stir it anymore. After all the eggs are in, then we're going to put the lid on and let it cook for about 15 or 20 minutes until our eggs are poached. This gives you a very rich tomato stew with chickpeas and seasonings and eggs. It's like a whole dinner in a pan. Of course, you can always add more salad or veggies with rice or toasted bread. We have all of our eggs in, and notice how we are trying to space them so that they're distributed pretty evenly in the pot. 20 minutes later, we're going to lift the lid off the pot, and we will see that the eggs are cooked very well. They're cooked through. And after that, we're going to spoon them out into a bowl so we can serve it. You want to have about 2 eggs per serving. So we have a nice wide bowl, and we're putting in 2 of the eggs, but then we're also going to be sure to put a lot of our delicious tomato and garbanzo bean stew. The nice thing about this dish is that you can freeze all the leftovers for later use. You can see we're going to garnish it with some pretty fresh parsley. And I like to add a couple crisps of French bread. Hope you enjoy.